In this video, I'll show you how to make your LG Smart TV turn off or on automatically at any time as you desire. The first thing you need to do is take your remote control and open the settings. It should look like this button right over here. Press on it. A menu will come on the right side and go to the last option. That is all settings. Then another menu will present itself on the left side, and you need to go down to General, which is this option right over here. Press the right arrow on your remote, so you can go right over here, and go down to Timers. It's the fourth option. Press OK once you're on it. And this will open all these options right over here. You can make the timer to power on. Now it's off, but if you want it on, just press OK once you're on it. And here, the first thing you need to do is to press the OK button, since right now it's in the off position. So press OK once, and it will turn on, and it will give you the option to modify all the settings here. Now go down and you'll be able to select at what time you want the TV to turn on. Timer repeat, do you want this to be every day or just on Mondays, Tuesdays? Here you have to choose this option. Input, here they'll ask you which input would you like to appear once your TV turns automatically on. So maybe you have something on your HDMI you'd like to see automatically popping up. Well, you need to choose over here. If you select TV, it will be, well, your live TV from the local stations that will appear. Now, if you selected TV on this option, you'll be able to select which channel to open automatically. So you'll have to choose. Here I don't have many local TVs channels, so I only have these, but if you have more than this, there will be a really long list to choose. And you can even select over here at which volume level your TV to turn on. So if it's really late at night or early in the morning and you don't want to wake up everyone, well, you can select a lower value. You can also select over here 2 hours auto power off. This will mean that the TV will automatically turn off after 2 hours. So the TV can automatically turn on and off by itself without you having to touch the remote or any buttons. The same thing is applicable to the timer power off. If you select it, you'll need to turn it on too. And here you can say at what time of the day you want the TV to turn off automatically. And if you want this option to repeat once or, I don't know, every day of the week. Here you only have these 2 options. So this is how you're doing it. Please subscribe, leave a comment and like if this tutorial was helpful to you.